Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix redaction marks in Kofax Power PDF Advanced. So what you can see on the screen now is an image-based document that I want to apply some redactions to. So the first step I need to do here is to make this document searchable so that we can search through it to redact text. So I'm going to click the Make PDF Searchable button here, and we'll see in just a moment the document is made searchable. And if I wanted to, I could go through it and proofread it to ensure that all the OCR, optical character recognition, is correct. But in this case, I'll just click Document Ready. Now I go over to the Security tab, and I want to search through this document and redact certain words. This is letting me know that this may not be a 100% process, so to make sure to review the document afterwards. In this case, I'm going to search for the word have, just a simple example here, and search for all instances of that word to mark it for redaction. So I will search and redact, and you can see it shows me each instance of the word found on the document, and I can select all of those and mark those selections for redaction. You'll now see that there are red rectangles on the page indicating every place where that word was found. You'll also notice that the position of those red rectangles is not always correct. So when redaction is performed, it uses the coordinates returned by the optical character recognition, so where we think we found those characters. And in some places, those coordinates don't exactly line up. They might not cover all of the character, or they might be covering other elements in the page. So you can see if I did this redaction, I'd still miss part of the H and be awful close to the B here. Thankfully, what you can do is make modifications to these redactions. So if I go up to this Mark Redaction option, I can now select this redaction mark and delete it because it might be in the wrong place. Now what it's going to let me do is mark new things for redaction. So if I wanted to, I could select the word, but we have the same issue we had before, is that the coordinates don't exactly match up. Instead, what I want to do is hold down the control button, and you'll see how my cursor changes to the cross instead of a cursor when I hold that down. And now I can drag an area where I want that redaction to take place. So I drag it, let go, and you can see now it is correctly covering that word. And I could go through the document and make any corrections that are needed. So I can see where we found the text and maybe I need to reposition some of these. So I do that. And then once I'm happy with the position of all those redaction marks, I can apply the redaction, letting me know this is a permanent operation. And now that text has been permanently redacted from the document. So the image of it has been removed and replaced with the black rectangle, and also the text is gone as well. So I can no longer select or search for that text. So that's how you perform the search and redaction, as well as make any corrections in the case that the coordinates are in the wrong location. Thank you for watching the video.